Do you want to strip away belly fat and lose up to 16 pounds in roughly about a week? Then you're in the right place. Because in this video, you'll learn proven tips and tricks to lose belly fat fast that has not only worked for me but also for a test panel of more than 500 women. Some of them lost as much as 16 pounds in their first 1 week and up to 3 inches off their waists. And continued to lose an additional 13 pounds in their second week following these tips. Continue watching to find out my 10 effective tips and tricks to lose belly fat in under 1 week. Number 1. Add fiber to your diet. If you are really serious about reducing belly fat, then you need to start eating lots of fiber-rich foods. Research has shown that there is a direct relationship between adding more fiber to your diet and the reduction of abdominal fat. However, not all fiber can help to lose belly fat. The type of fiber you want to be adding to your diet are soluble fiber. Some of the best soluble fiber-rich foods you should be eating include beans, lentils and legumes, raspberries, blueberries and blackberries, brightly colored vegetables, and leafy greens. Number 2. Avoid sugary foods and drinks. Numerous studies have shown exactly how sugar is directly turned into belly fat that is harmful to your metabolic health. When you eat lots of sugary foods, your liver gets overloaded with fructose, which is forced to turn into liver and abdominal fats. For most of us, processed foods are our number one source of sugary foods. They have little nutritional value but high amounts of sugar, unhealthy fats, preservatives and ingredients designed to increase our belly. Sugary drinks are even worse in this regard. When you drink sugar-sweetened beverages, you end up eating more total calories, because that's how the brain is wired to react when we ingest liquid sugar. You should cut down the amount of sugar in your diet and also, consider eliminating sugary drinks completely if you want to see meaningful belly fat loss results. Instead of a soda or any other high-sugar sweetened sports or energy drink, try unsweetened green tea. And instead of processed foods, try ordering freshly cooked and healthy meals from any of the top meal delivery services. That, of course, is if you're short for time to prepare homemade healthy recipes by yourself. Number 3. Cut carbohydrate and increase protein intake. Eating fewer carbs, alone, is a very effective way to lose weight and will simultaneously result in a drop in belly fat. But when you couple that with a high protein intake, you will see a much more significant and rapid drop in your overall weight, especially around your waistline. Stay away from refined carbs and consume no less than 25% of your daily calories from protein. This will give you fast results, and you'll see noticeable difference on the scale within 2 days. But if you wanted to explode your belly fat loss results further, I'd recommend you get on the ketogenic diet. This will put your body into a state called ketosis, where your body burns fat and protein as its main fuel instead of carbs. You'll see meaningful and consistent results starts rolling in from the very first day. Number 4. Drink ginger water in the mornings. Ginger is uniquely effective for eliminating stomach fat and overall body weight. It has amazing healing and medicinal properties, from curing chronic indigestion to reducing cortisol levels. Drinking ginger water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach will kickstart your metabolism to cut excessive fat around the abdominal region. Drinking more ginger water 15 to 20 minutes before your meals throughout the day will curb your food cravings for unnecessary eating that is responsible for fat storage in your midsection. I have a link in the video description below that will teach you how to prepare ginger water to burn belly fat in under 72 hours. Number 5. Do yoga. High cortisol levels in our bodies are responsible for abdominal obesity. Exercises like long-distance running creates a place for chronic cortisol levels to flourish. You should do yoga instead. Researchers found that regularly practicing yoga reduces cortisol levels, therefore reducing the negative side effects this hormone can create in our bodies. In fact, yoga is the only form of exercise proven to lower resting cortisol levels and burn fat at the same time. So, I highly recommend you give yoga a shot. Get started with the super effective Yoga Burn Challenge I linked below in the video description. You can thank me later. Number 6. Drink green tea or coffee before you work out. According to research studies, drinking green tea works wonders, especially if you consume it just before working out. This is so because these drinks contain caffeine, catechins and L-theanine, which can enhance alertness and attention especially in the morning. To maximize belly fat burning during your workouts, don't eat 2 hours before working out. Drink either green tea or black coffee then go and exercise. This will give you the most powerful and effective belly fat burning effects. You should really try it. Number 7. Carry a water bottle everywhere. It's very easy to mistake thirst for hunger, because both share the same symptoms. Which is why staying hydrated is an essential part of a healthy plan to decrease belly fat. Carry a water bottle with you at all times and sip from it regularly to keep yourself full and hydrated. Aim to drink around 80 to 100 fluid ounces or 2.35 liters of water per day. This will aid losing your belly fat faster. I personally use the coldest water bottle to keep track of my hydration levels. This way I'm sure I'm drinking my 2.35 liters of water daily. Number 8. Regulate your sleep pattern. For every hour of sleep the body gets that is fewer than 8, the chances of visceral fat which causes abdominal inflammation increases. If you're only getting 6 hours of sleep a night, you'll likely have a 22% increase in the gain of this harmful visceral fat. Aside from the unnecessary food cravings and belly fat, lack of sleep is associated with too many health issues that you don't want. So readjust your day to ensure you get those blissful 8 hours of quality night sleep every day. Number 9. Suspend alcohol intake for now. If you are really serious about getting rid of belly fat, you need to cut back on alcohol. Limit yourself to 1 drink per week, or totally suspend alcohol for now. Alcohol contains high amounts of calories, even if you take just 1 shot. The extra calories end up stored as fat in your body. And since we can't choose where all that extra fat ends up, the body tends to accumulate the fat in the abdominal area. Another reason why you want to suspend alcohol during your belly fat loss program is because drinking makes one indulge themselves. When you are in drinking, it is easy to order unhealthy meals and massively increase your carb intake. Number 10. Try the flat belly elixir. Now if you've tried everything to reduce your belly fat and failed or you aren't getting the desired results you hoped for, you may have a case of stubborn belly fat that needs a stronger treatment or approach to cut it down. I recommend you give the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic a try. I describe it as an elixir because it has proven to work as a last resort for some women who had cases of stubborn belly fat that just wouldn't strip off. If you use this tonic, you should see noticeable results from about 3 days when you hop on the scale. In about 28 days you can lose as many as 33 pounds of overall body weight and raw belly fat. You can find all links to useful resources mentioned in this video in the description below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends. For more weight loss, fitness, and nutrition tips, subscribe to the channel. And visit our website at www.sisterslosingweight.com. See you on the next one.